Yes, so good morning, my people. Our time don't knock again, oh. That our special time, our special location. Today na Saturday, 28th of November. When it done the ba like that, now be say we done the approach that special occasion. Christmas be that too. Today I get two special, very, very special personalities wey be say that dem go be our guest today. Both of them all the way from Naija. The first person na DJ Bombastic. In a well-known DJ and in a ogbonge presenter for Naija. Wey be say he don present for many radio stations. Na radio presenter, and he still dey present, get your own show. He go talk to you about everything. Go tell you about tori from beginning as he take waka right up to the end. He go tell una everything. Bam bam. So make una stay tuned. Our second guest today na DJ, but he come make a name well from MC job. Na MC Jazzy P. Some people call him Jazzy P. Other people call him Jazzy Fizzle, but I call him the man with the sugar voice. I mean, the voice when they carry mic, the voice they trip people. I don't lie to her. I just tell her the truth. No. The man don't be small boy for this our business. So we go start with some nice bedu. The first bedu we are going to give now, we dey go straight to Fuji. Freestyle, Omorakpala. Now, basically, we go take start today because as we tell on so we dey indigenous. No music where we know they play. From traditional to, but we know they play all these current. No, they take on our back to our history, to our roots. Take you on our back to our grassroots. The origin of music, gone. Now it be our mission. So I welcome all of you now, one by one. As I talk to you now, I go check on our special guest for today. So make we break our quick, make we no waste time. Time na money. Yes, so our guests, they on his way. He goes to enter VIP. As soon as he enter VIP, we go bring her on. At the moment, this is not the music of Abbas Obesere. This one are live in Europe, part 1. Yes, so Adeyinka Ilemobade, Baba Niyan, they greet you here. The one and only Let's Do, always on point, always on fire. Ola Sheni Omo Soyolu Oshababa, I dey feel you. All of them when they listen to us, we they pray for all of our family. Our God could continue to protect us. We go pull through this season together by the grace of the Almighty. Make I seize this opportunity to tell all of us, say, this is our special Saturday program. The people where they bring us to now our engine room. Our engine room will comprise of McQueen Mojibishi, DJ Alex, DJ Alexo, and yours truly, myself, DJ Jusilad, Babani himself. We dey wait for our guests. It go soon land, because Don't Baba, I'm not see my mommy.
I was on the TV, and I was missing. I was in this California, and I didn't know. I
Our guests tried to join us, but we don't see your face. So we go try again. Don't worry. We go join us. Mr. Fem Akimoku. Fem Akimoku. Thank you very much. I dey see you. I dey feel you. Yes. Yes, sir. Mr. Bombastic, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, my brother. Can you hear me now, my brother? DJ Bombastic, we know they hear your voice, so give your phone volume. We they see you now, but we know they hear you. Give your phone volume. You don't unmute yourself again. You don't mute yourself again. No. My dear sister Daria Konde, they see you. Olada Kwesho, my dear brother, God bless you. Yes, sir. Bombasi, can you hear me now? Yeah, well, for some reason, I know you can hear me. For some reason, as soon as you start talking, your phone mutes you. So what I go do be say, I go send you another link. Make we try them again. Ignore this one. I go send another link. Come out for this one. I go send another link. Make we try it with a different link. My people, make you no worry on technology. But now we invent technology. We go overcome them. Give me 2 minutes. Make you no mind me, we they try to bring our guests back on. We go come back, no worry. Yes, so my brother, you still there muted. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, my brother. Ah, what I do. My brother, make you now unmute yourself. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, DJ Bombastic? I still cannot hear you. I still cannot hear you, my brother. Try. How we go do this thing now? And I still cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Let's stop this. My people, I'll go make one quick phone call. Nico, make you bear with me. Make no vex, so we dey try. Okay, my people, I go try again. Oh. Yes, my brother, try again now. You didn't hear me?
Baba, they hear you live. Can you hear me now?
Now they hear each other. Your volume there a bit low, so see whether you increase them small.
Yes, so I don't increase them, Baba.
What did they
don't
talk?
Hear me now.
I know they hear
I don't.
You don't increase our tire. Yeah, I they hear you. I they hear you. I they hear you, but you know they loud enough for me. But we go manage them. We go manage them. How you doing, my brother?
Baba, I do all right.
That thing, no, that. My people, now wow. Don't worry, we go do them. We go do them by fire, by force. You know, this is our network for Nigeria sometimes.
Baba, you hear me now?
Yes, sir. You hear me now?
Baba, they hear you loud and clear.
Now we talk. Yes. How you doing, my brother?
Baba, I do all right too.
Ladies and gentlemen, that now our special guest today, DJ Bombastic International.
That's so,
Baba.
Baba.
Say you get earpiece. Maybe we try earpiece if you get them.
I get them. Now they hear you.
No, I know you they hear me, but I know they hear well. And my volume, our people they listen to, you know. Now Niger network, don't be your fault, my brother. Now this our Niger. Okay, yeah, talk to me now. Okay, my people don't they message me say they hear Bombastic voice well. So when next it come on, we go just fire the go. Yeah, okay. People talk say that they hear bombastic well, but it don't go off now. It don't go off. So I will try and bring them back on again. But I dey wait for him. He has to. Other people go allow me to make one quick phone call as I dey live. So okay, I have to stop now. My guy is here now. Yes, my brother. People talk say that they hear you well. You see? Hello? Yeah, you dey hear me now? Now wow. You dey hear me now? Okay, if you dey hear me bombastic, you dey muted or mute yourself. I can see you muted here. You dey unmuted now. Talk to me now. Talk to me. I know they hear you. I dey see you loud and clear, but I know they hear you. You know the last device you used. Can you use that again, please? The last device you used. Use that again. Because with that one, people could hear you. Sorry about this, but it is just the network. The last device you used, not this one, the last one you used. Well, the one you used before this, try that one. Let's see if that will work. Well, people they say then people they talk say then they hear them, but me I no fit hear them. If I no fit hear them, I no fit interview them. So that's not the problem. And the problem that they come from my end because I'm sure say other people they hear me, but me I know they hear them. That is the problem. The only time I heard him, it was very faint. But even if we get that back, I'll fit take that one interview him. But me I know they hear him. And that is not coming from me because when they hear my music, when they hear my voice, so I know that the problem not be from my side. So bombastic, if you are there, try and log on again for the last time. Let's have a go. Mr. Bode Lawson, I dey feel you, my brother. I dey feel you well. Okay, we're gonna try again now. Yes, my brother. Can you hear me now?
Baba, I can hear you. I did with you.
Okay, let's do it now. Sorry about all that.
Yeah.
This is our transmission. Everybody they talk say that they hear you, but me, I don't hear you.
Baba,
with this device, I they hear you small. But with the other device, I know they hear at all.
Hey.
So make me fire the go. Because time don't go well. Make we just do them sharp. Wow. How you doing, my brother? How body?
Yeah. Baba, I did all right, bro. Ade Kankwe.
Nice one,
Ade
nice one.
Kankwe.
This
Ade,
na
enjoy your show.
the one and only DJ
Nice
Bombastic,
show.
honorable gentleman, very,
Yes, sir.
very quiet. But I tell you, as soon as this guy entered the studio, put his headphone for head, his voice go just change. He go just enter in mode. And I mean, and a lot of you guys don't listen to this guy for decades and decades and decades. He don't work for several stations. Not be say, I mean, he is somebody who knows his strength. He carve a niche. He knows say my destiny there for radio broadcasting. He no deviate from day one. He stick to radio broadcasting. It not be like some people will go jump into TV, we go jump into music. He just face the thing where the talent where God give him. He don't face him. Let's do the hail you. He say Bombastic, my dear paddy. All your guys they here, then they hail you. Right. Tell us about this story, how this story takes start, my brother.
Baba, you don't taste small. You don't taste small. All the way from Egba, Egba, Abeokuta.
Yes, sir.
It can't be like, say, if you don't come from Egba for broadcasting, you never do well. It can't be like that, somehow, because if you look at all the great broadcasters of today, all the legendary DJs of today, all of them, now from Abeokuta, then resurrect from, all of them. Likes of KC, likes of Kenny Keke, Shilon, yeah, Sagbadi himself, no respect. Likes of Debola Samadu, GSA, Kulakitayo Stewart, Kwame, Xmas, Magnificent, we give glory to God. All started from there. Back in the days, I'm talking about 1993, 1994. Now, Shy, I did listen to that time. Shy Shilon, be like Wizkid of today, back in the days. Because when you see Shy, or when you hear Shy on radio, be like saying you see God. So one party happened for my place, for our house in 1993, where Shy come play for our house. My brother, they do birthday, but now Shy, they can't see. Everybody will come to the party. As Shy, they play. All the guests where they there, now Shy, then go meet for DJ set. Then they touch him. They won't rub him head. They just won't do everything for us. This is Shy. They call him Sweet Shy. So I thought they look for our house. Say, who be these tiny, small thing like this? Where they scatter everywhere. My brother said, when they do party, they don't see him. Now this kind of person, they can't see. Who be this person? That's why they look Shy. Everybody when they party, now Shy, they can't see. What thing can happen? Now so me to come get interest, say, I love this job with this man they do. Although in our house, we love foreign music. We dey hear them back to back, like Marvin Gaye, like Snoop Dogg, all of them like that. So at that time, I can't get interest. Say, if this kind of person can do this kind of thing, make yourself do am. So na Shy be my mentor. Na Shy go I see. And he make me turn to DJ to date. So make me help me thank him. The day when I tell him this story, say,
no
now you inspire me. He was just looking at me.
Shy, now your guy 247. And I know say 2 of them are 5 and 6. So,
yeah, before we best friends today.
Okay. So DJ Tony T, they hail you here, or DJ Tony T, they hail you. DJ T as well, Taya Jai, and they hail all of now on our do well. So the journey started with street DJing. I mean, you started as a DJ before on a turn to presenter, ba?
Street DJing. That's where the thing starts from. So when I can't do that one, I can't get another friend for OGBC that time because now OGBC popular for Nigeria, where everybody want to listen to OGBC. If you never listen to OGBC, you never listen to anything. So that time, na Shy, na Magnificent, all of them, na them are they listen to because Shy is a senior for the game. GML, Delio Kusaga, into DDL, John Onodeko, into DDL. There are plenty for OGBC that time. So Nadia can't get interest, say I must be a DJ by force by fire. Although in my house, they no agree. Say all your mates, they become doctor. All your mates, they become lawyer. And they become sailor. Why you won't become DJ? I can't tell them, say, I like this something, you know. Say, now that tiny small person will come with due respect, Shy Shilon. Now here I see you, now he motivate me, say I want to do this thing, you know. And I get passion for music. That's why I follow radio, I listen. So one day I can't jam Shy, I can't jam Magnificent. When I go OGBC, so Magnificent say make I can't play for him as a DJ. I can't play small. And at that time, they teach me how to talk for radio. So I did struggle, say I go know this thing by force. I go buy exercise book, I go write them down. As I won't sign on the program, I go write them. I won't sign up, I go write them. Everything, I write them. If I go on the road like this, they work out, they send me message, I go do as if say I did radio. People go to look at this one, say, why this one they talk? Who is the talk to for road? They don't know say that thing don't they enter my body. They call they say, I this one don't mad me for radio. And they don't understand what thing they happen. But now Magnificent can't train me how to talk for radio. That's why I started. Become radio person. So they can't go put me for OGBC 1, which is 1170 kilowatts. So now there I don't start to on the struggle small. The first program we are first do that and Twilight Zone. Twilight Zone be my first program. We are first do for OGBC 1. I'm talking about 1994, 1995. They put me for AM. So all that time, Magnificent, all of them, then they don't graduate to go FM that time. Kwame, Exma, all of them, they FM. They be my oga, but we be friends. So now there, when they come out one by one, go Star FM, go Power, all of them. And so then I graduate, go FM. On the OGBC 2. Now there I come skyrocket. We give glory to God today. And there the name comes skyrocket, DJ bombastic, every corner. And so my hand come pull up like this. My hand come swell up. Say, yeah, I don't arrive. But money no deal. You know, say I feel trek from mortuary. Go OGBC 2. Go struggle. Say I won't go radio. Nothing take that time. But my passion will they take to one. But I thank God today. Say, or the rest na history.
Yes, sir. That's serious history. But you talk something not too long ago, which a lot of people where they come, not be only this our program, where they come so many programs, a lot of people like footballers, people with incredible talent, God give talent, like footballers, like artists, comedians, musicians, even you, radio presenter. All of them they talk say when on a day young and on a day when on a discover this talent for ourselves and on a day try to improve the talent, our parents then they disrupt them, then they say no, you not go do it now. Doctor, I won't make it be now this. Which kind of advice you get? Because some of us when they watch now will be parents, some of us with grandparents have. Which kind of advice you get for our parents when our children they show certain talent? Share it good make we just kill that talent or make we develop the talent alongside with the educational talent when the pikin get. Which advice you go give them? Because we get plenty pikin where we say they don't be world leaders in whatever talent God give them. Where we say now we kill the talent. Explain to me, my brother.
Baba, I don't go blame our parents because that time, they don't really know how it go be. Wetin dey their mind be say if you no go school, if you no do lawyer, if you no do this that time, you no go become somebody. But if you look at nowadays, everything don change. Look at computer, look at the way the world dey go now. My advice be say any talent wey your children get, make you invest in am because e dey very very important. If you say that time, maybe they don support us that time when we dey struggle to do this, maybe we for don pass this place.
Well done, my brother.
Wey
So
people want in
now,
children.
word of advice
Because
for
that
our
time,
parents,
e be like say
because if
the DJ wey we dey do that time.
Continue.
Baba, the DJ wey we dey do that time, the DJ wey we dey do that time, make I tell you the truth. Na passion say I love music, I love this thing where I want. Nobody know say e fit bring money like that. When dem no see am say na good, na good business aspect of they never see the business aspect of the talent. Wetin dem dey see be say when you dey do DJ, dem believe say you dey play. When you dey play ball, dem believe say you dey play. You be pata, you be stubborn person. Dem see us like say stubborn person dey go play football, na stubborn person go do DJ, na stubborn person go play table tennis. Dem no see am say future dey there. But these days, I give thanks to God say parents sef dey carry pikin come meet me for office say they wan train how to be a DJ, they wan train how to be a broadcaster for radio station, for Wheels of Steel and all that. But thank God say we don dey embrace that kind of thing now. The eye don open. So I no go blame our parents. So nowadays, any parents wey the children show say im get one talent, they should support the children. They should support am, whether male or female, whether anything wey you wan do, they should support because nobody knows tomorrow. Now, na the DJ I dey take feed my family now. Na the DJ I dey take build house. Na the DJ I don take buy cars, different cars. Na the DJ I dey take send my children go school. Come see now, if I no put passion, if I no put ruggedity there, maybe I for no reach this place today. But I give thanks to God. I no go blame our parents. But any parent wey see children wey wan do something tangible, wey get natural talent, make dem invest in am. E dey very very important.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. Now, this na advice for our parents, because as we dey kill talent,
Yes,
we don't know wetin we dey kill. You got plenty people wey be say today they educated, well, but now that special talent now they bring them up. There's a guy called Michael Menalo. Now footballer, he take a rich sporting director for Chelsea, but now in football career, don't be saying no read. He study, he get degree. Now Falz now barrister in Papa, now one of the biggest and most well-known lawyers in Nigeria. But now music in the take making name now. Dr. Sid now qualified dentist.
Lawyer in Nigeria, yes.
She was savage. That master's degree she get. But now music now they carry in talent. They show the whole world now. Right? Now music they carry them to anywhere where they go. So at what point, my brother? At what point did you eventually decide that you will? I would say you change from DJing to presenter, because you don't give us big background. I know say you are still a DJ and you still be presenter, but at what point did you decide say, okay, now radio presenting, now I want balance, I want put more power for, make the DJ still there, but I want become well-known radio presenter. When we say, with radio presenter, we know they know on our faces. Now on our voices, we they hear. As soon as we hear one voice, we say, now bombastic be that. We hear one voice, we say, now shy be that. DJ Kashif the Flash, the famous turntablist. I they feel you, my brother. Tell us about that one.
So
at what point did you decide say, now presenter I will be?
Yeah. Well, Baba, you know, say for office that time, like say when I in 2003, when I come up for OGBC two, come Star FM, may he so rest in peace. Dean of the old school, Philip Semi Fashino, now he can call me from OGBC two. Say, make I come Star FM, come work for 2003. So I don't even think twice. I just take the offer, thank them for OGBC two, resign for OGBC two, say I dey cover for Abeokuta, go Lagos. E be like say Lagos na greener pasture in Lagos. So I can't come Lagos like that. When I enter Lagos, Xmas don comot. Kwame still dey. No be say one leg in, one leg out that time. E don nearly comot. So that time, presenter no dey for Star FM. So e come be like say na only me and two other people dey. But because say I come from OGBC two that time, they know say anybody wey come from OGBC two, they don dey well trained to be on radio. So they can't carry load of work on give me, say make I dey do more. I go do morning show, which is morning splash. I go do afternoon. I go do evening show, PM groove. Presenter no dey, we dey look for presenter. So now my voice dey all over radio that time, DJ Bombastic. So at that time, that thing don enter my body. I don't even get time for party again because we never get presenter. We still dey look for more presenter, more hands to join us. When Kwame, Xmas, all of them don't come out. So at that time, it don't enter my brain. Say, it make me, you know, it don't limit me small. I know if you go the play outside like that because they need me for radio. That time I go do hype, I go do all this thing. So not only me that time. So before 10 you can't join. So that time don't dey my body. The presentation don't make me relax more. So I know they go past you, but that presentation don't enter more than the DJ where I start with. So I don't get choice. Now DJ, everybody they hail for radio. DJ Bombastic. Come be like say now only me the radio that time. And you know say Star FM popular. And if you dey on Star FM, you dey relevant for Star FM. That means you don't really relevant for Nigeria. So yes, sir. At that time, I get one program where I present. That program na PM exclusive. That special program in the evening on Tuesdays. The concept of the show is any artist wey wan drop new song. Na me go first premiere in Nigeria. Nobody go premiere. Na me go premiere. Na me go first the player. Na there I premiered Gongwaso because I was the first person to play Gongwaso in Nigeria. For weeks before we started giving it out to other people. So now me first premiere Angel of My Life for play single-handedly. Waiting Day by Rough Forget and Rock, Kolo Mental, plenty songs like that for that my show. If you say the question be say when I play the song, I go ask listeners to tell me the name of the artist, tell me the name of the producer, tell me the name of the record label, and tell me the title of the song. So that is the concept. So that time, I don't even get time, say, pass it, because make I no lie to you. Blessing they come as I do radio, I do hype, I do a lot of things. I go seminars and all that. So it limits me for DJ small. But later, I can't revive myself, say, waiting happen now. I DJ be my first choice before I join presentation. So that I can't balance the two. So at that time where we don't get presenter, at that time make me stick with presentation for radio. But thank God I don't balance them back for so many years back now. So I don't do DJ, I do voiceover, I do street DJ too as well. So I play events, play everything. So everything day. We thank God for life, Baba.
Well done, my brother. Yeah, I know. I've been witness. and we will talk about promotion of artists promotion of artists as well. And we will talk about that before we end the program. The most Shegun Shai Shilo in the building. DJ Shai Shai, they hail you. They hail you. It's a boom boom sound. So DJ's full ground today.
My mentor.
DJ's full ground today. DJ T Day House, DJ Tony T Day House, DJ Alexo Day House, DJ Adex Day House, DJ Kashif the Flash Day House, Shegun Shai Shilon Day House, myself and Day House. I never see person pull DJs like this, so you didn't try. Yeah, Lexi do say you know good make person dey lie because the thing where you talk now, Lexi do confirm am. When you talk about you being the first person to play sovereign, I don't dare for Nigeria with now. Where Nice confirm this thing where you they talk now. So DJ Shai say, yes, so bless you, DJ Boom. Even baby Skeske self by Lexi Do, now you first player. And I don't say Lexi Do, you and Lexi Do be 5 and 6. Waiting be this bond. Now today we'll go see the root. Waiting be this bond between you and Lexi Do. Explain, make the whole world here. Because how you take do any day, you don't reach one day where we're not going to talk for about 5-6 times. Waiting be this bond between the two of them. Oh yeah, just us.
Yes, so Baba, the thing be say, when you see your partner, where you guys connect, you know go tell before you realize them. Lexi na one person. I go mention 2 people now. Lexi, Shai. 2 of them, make I no lie to you. 2 of them, they be like small God to me. Make I no lie to you. Because when you are down, na them day. When you are up, na them day. No day like this. Sometimes everybody they say they won't go abroad. As I know they abroad with them, it be like say I dey abroad with them because they don't make me feel am say I know they abroad. Because now every minute, every second we dey talk. We dey very, very close because it don't take, we don't be like that. Me, Lexi, and Shai. That's why there's nothing I want to write about my career where I no go write about Lexi and Lexi and Shai. Where I no go write and Magnificent too. All of them like that. So we did very, very close. Nobody feel know waiting they go on between us. Nobody. Baba, you said you know now. Baba, you know now. You said you know.
Yes, I know. I know where. I have to make you share it with the world. Make the world know. Because the people they want to say, you these guys, why you did do like 5, 6, and 7? I don't go say 5 and 6 now. 5, 6, and 7. Waiting be the bomb. You know, say some fresh say it take past blood self, you know. And another thing where I want to ask you, my brother, DJ Tony T, they hail you as well, oh, make you hail her back. Another thing where I want to ask you,
Tony, my brother,
I want to ask you 2 questions. The first one, I know say you don't work for OGBC and Star FM. Our listeners know that one now.
Yeah.
Apart from those 2 stations, how many other stations you don't work for? Make you mention all of them. 1, 2, make you tell us which one you like pass. And they put it for sports now. Make you tell us which one you like pass. And 3, I don't come like that when you say I did your program. You don't interview me before. Thank you very much. And I know so you don't interview a lot of our big names here like DJ Casey and Co. But how does it feel being on the other side of the microphone, being interviewed for a change? Yeah? Oh yeah. Answer those 3 questions for me, my brother.
Well, Baba, you can't be like say my ask they do game. As I do for other people too. Because I don't go know, they don't know what I go ask them. Now, like you now, I don't know what you want to ask me. But don't be say I know the professional, but at the same time, you know, say if you check doctors, if he's sick, they will talk say, na injection I go give you. You go take injection. Can't try am. Say call doctor say you won't give am injection, you go run away. Doctor said go run away. They know they like injection at all. Then go run away. That's what it be like. So it can't be like say I be artist. We won't go face panel. So that panel that they face so. But I be professional. I be do am. But you know easy, Baba. Make no lie to you. You know easy to face camera like this. I don't be camera person. I be microphone person. So take me as I am, Baba. At least I try small.
No be small thing. You try well. You still they try, said. In fact, you don't over try. And you go still over try. Because as Wasiu sing out now, Bobo no go quit unless over Darugo. And as I see this face now, that's Sweet 16. Plenty years. So with your experience, tell us about the stations, other stations you work with, and which one you like pass and why.
Baba, I don't go forget the Genesis. I love all my radio stations. I don't work for OGBC 2, OGBC 1, OGBC 2, all are the same. I don't work for Star FM for years. I don't work for Rainbow FM. I was the first station head of program of Rainbow FM, while Shy was the first station manager of Rainbow FM. We worked together. And Baba Keke for Rainbow FM that time. So when I come out for Rainbow, Baba Alaji will get MITV. Alaji called me back, say, you know, here say I don't come out for Rainbow FM. Waiting happen. I say nothing happen. No. I want to go stand on my own. I won't face. So, Baba, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
So,
yeah. I can hear you now. Say, continue.
Yeah, I like to come tell me, say, make I no go starve my pikin, say, make I come back and work for Star FM. So, it took me about 2-3 months before I agree, say, I won't go work for Star FM again. And when I go beg Shy Shilon. I go beg him, say, I won't make him come follow me work for Star FM. Because him too don't come out for Rainbow. So now me and Shasha, I can't join again for Star FM. Work for almost several years again for Star FM. So when I come out for there, I go Baba Keke radio station, which is Kenny's FM 104.1. Thanks to Baba Keke for the support. Thanks to Baba Keke for the opportunity. You know, he said, make I come work. I go there. Baba Keke no even think I'm twice. He just gave me program for Saturday. Bombastic, they scatter here. I thank him well. But when I come out for there, one day in front of my house, now one morning I just wake up, I can't see antenna for up in front of my house. Which kind of antenna be this? This one don't be telecommunication now. This one a radio station. That's why I go there. When they hear say I be DJ Bombastic, now so them talk say that one a Jordan FM. Say make I do freelance with you guys, independent producer and all that. So they can't say make I help them take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday for evening. So now they are still there for now, but I do my thing jejely. I know they fight. I just they talk and I do my DJ.
I trust you, my brother. That one day nice. I don't go even this question where they ask everybody else. I don't go ask you that question. I go develop on them. Because the question where they ask everybody else, they say, waiting then they do for our youths. I know they ask you that question because I don't take my eyes see waiting. I don't take my eyes see waiting they do for youth for Nigeria. I know at some point we don't lose this our Nigeria network, but we go conquer them. We don't lose my guest, but he go come back. Make no worry. In the meantime, I will just play some interlude music Make we take that one day. Make we take that one day. Now Calabaland we go now. Make una no vex my people. We go get Bombastic back.
Baba.
Yes, my brother, you dey hear me now?
I dey hear you, Baba. I dey hear you. I dey with you.
Okay, sorry, we lost you temporarily. What did they tell our people? Say I don't see what they do for up and coming artists for Nigeria. I mean, you don't carry artists. You know, a lot of boys where they street when you say the mama, the papa don't get money, send them go school. They don't get job to do. Some of them want to do mechanics. If they reach mechanic garage, they say we don't day full. Mechanics have no get job to do. Some of them want to do carpenter, the same thing. Some of them go barbing salon, they say Baba full ground, nobody to cut hair for. You understand? But you don't. But some of them, you see, some of them get talent, and I don't see you with at least 4 or 5 of them. Maybe say I don't spend quality time with you and them, and I don't see the role where you play for them. For them, you be their mama, you be their papa. You be the producer, you be the manager, you be the, some of them you be the God. You understand? Some of them now you be the God.
Yeah.
So, which make you think, say, you know what, now this thing I could do for this, but there must be something where you see, where go make you feel so emotional, where you say, you know what, this blessing where God don't bless you, make you take and bless some of these children. How the thing take happen, and how far are you with the project now?
Baba, the thing we say, first thing first, in anything where you do, now talent. You know, say some artists they come plenty, we go come radio station, say they won't make them promote them. When you listen to their job, you go feel for them, say they don't get that power, they don't get record label, we go push them. And talent dey this country. So when I see talent like that, it always pain me, say, make this boy just get record label, where they go put money on top of. But the thing be say, I always put one.
Okay, my people, make you no vex. So that our Niger network for you. The network don't freeze again. We're there on the way out anyway. So we go give her 1 minute or so. If we know a few seconds, if we don't get her back, then that will be the end of the show for today, for this session. So yeah, that is the end of the show for this session, my people. So we go end up there now. I mean, the network they give us yawa no be small. I will thank God. I will bless you. Okay, I think it's coming back now. Make I just bring her back. Make we try to round up. The network did very bad. Okay, my brother, the network did very bad. We go just quickly round up. Make we finish this question. Make we round up because the network they in and out. Continue with what you talk. Make we round her up.
So when I see talent like that, I go first embrace them. When I embrace, I go talk to them. Say, okay, what do you want to do next? Now me go advise them. Say, why you no go meet ID Kabasa? Why you no go meet this and that? Then go talk to them. No get money. I say, you know what? Go also small. I go help you call them. Say you be my brother. That's what they take do for some people. Who say, Kabasa, if you hear this kind of person, he get talent like, hey, if you hear that, Kabasa will call me, say, Bombastic, Who be that person? How the person beat you? I say, now my brother. Okay, tell her, say, make him come see me. I feel call whoever, say, or any top class producers, because I want the job making come out, because talent dey the person body. Like when I go Ray Power, when I go K Solo, you know K Solo, the producer.
Well.
Call me. K Solo call me, say, make I come hear one song. You don't say that time. So when I reach K Solo place, the job wey K Solo play for me na Timaya. When Timaya first enter Lagos, everybody call me Timaya. Then Papa them, yo, Nigeria na my country, yo, yes, na my place. So when K Solo produce those songs finish, anytime wey K Solo produce finish, na me go call. Anytime wey Kabasa produce finish, na me go call. Anytime wey Pop Play produce finish, na me go call. So people they call me, say make I come listen to this song. I don't be Messiah, but you know, say when you good at what you are doing and when you show passion, people go respect you for that. So now, so I just want to play the song for me. Timaya, everybody call me Timaya. Say, Baba, hear this song. He just balance the song. He never mix and finish, but the balancing dey sweet. He never mix am, he never master, he never do anything. I can't tell him, say this song sweet, this song will blow. That's why I say make him copy the CD for me. Say make I come the hear am for my car. I can't call am for evening, say, K Solo, this song wey I hear, na today go radio. Say, Papa, I just balance am, I never mix am. I say, no worry, tell the artist, say make him dey listen. That's why I started Timaya. Everybody call me Timaya. On mixed version, just balancing alone. So when I see talent like that, that's why they embrace them. No be anything, because talent they very, very precious. So that the thing where they do for them is that anywhere I see talent, I always push the talent first before anything. Baba.
Well done. Thank you very much. Now, the last question. We get a lot of talent here for UK. When they say them be Nigeria, them based here for UK, but some of them they try. But you know, say the production level and everything, they a bit varied. If I see any young up-and-coming talent for this country, for this UK, Obodo Ibo we dey, I feel refer them to you where you go feel work with, make you help them until they blow.
Baba no wala. The thing be say, you know, say these days, radio station don't plenty for Lagos. It don't plenty even for Lagos now. They don't dey close to 47. Not be like when all this Timaya, all this Gongwaso, when they started that time, radio no too plenty like that. So if you put song on one or two, the whole Lagos don't hear them. But now they don't plenty. So the thing I feel do be say, I feel connect the people where I know say they feel support me. Not be all the radio stations, because you cannot have it all. So the ones where I know say them be my people. When we say we dey connect, we dey do for ourselves. Now that people I feel call say, Omo, hear this boy, make you embrace am, make you support am, make you push am. So
okay, my brother, thank you very much, my brother. I know say some people they know what make we do this interview, but by fire by force, we don't go on top mountain of fire. We don't take fire, destroy them. Thank you for being patient. Initially, we had all sorts of problems, but I'm glad that we managed, we take and do this interview. Make I thank everybody who done the watch. Now our gentleman begins, the man with the golden voice, DJ Bombastic. Make you tell them the radio, your channel for radio station, make them they listen to you for internet radio. Because if you hear your voice for radio, it's sweet pass on you. Love is smart. So on that note, just tell us your dial for radio station and all your social media contact details. Give them everything as we go. So as you don't finish that one, anytime when you're ready, may go. I will play one music for background. Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you, Baba. Now my station be Jordan 105.5, where they work now. And my program now PM exclusive on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays and Friday, 8 p.m. to 10 in the evening. I do my program. And if you want to log in, just go at Journal 105 FM for live streaming. So you can listen to my show. If you want any requests, on Wednesdays, I do my throwback, blast from the past. Now, my favorite be that KC don't come my show. And thanks to KC, DJ KC, love respect. When KC came to my show, KC's capture everywhere, capture Nigeria. Baba, make you help me thank KC well. I dey expect you, Baba Josie lad. I dey expect you. Now you be the next guest on my show anytime you land for Nigeria.
Guarantee,
so I can't wait.
Guarantee.
And at 2 hours.
Say, for Nigeria, we dey roll together anyway. So guarantee, if you want to capture me from the airport, carry me, go your station. Now you get me. No wahala.
So
make you take that into regard, my brother. God bless you. Take care.
Thanks, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Bye bye. Bless you.
So my people, we go do am sharp today. Oh. I go take one very, very quick 2-minute break. And when we come back, when I come back now, Jazzy Pizzo don't dey ready. He don't dey holler me. He don't dey ready. He don't dey allow me. I will see you in about a couple of minutes. God bless you, my brothers. One love, Baba. DJ Murphy, I hail you. DJ Murphy, I hail you. You be late come about. Make you stay tuned. The next interview they come up 2 minutes. Thank you, my people. God bless you.